Good evening. I just wanted to come online tonight and just tell you about my recent purchase I made from Massage Warehouse. So a recommendation from my Reiki master, Reiki Angel, and I'm so grateful that she passed the information on to me. So I'm at my very beginning of my journey. I've got a long way to go, but I'm looking to soon to do my Reiki 2 and Reflexology. And my main focus and drive is around supporting females and their health and well-being. And for that, this table for me ticks all the boxes. So I've opted for the Pro-Lite 3-in-1 combo massage table, and it comes with so many features. So it has the German Beechwood framework, and I've opted for the navy blue covering, so it looks super smart and classy. It's solid, but it also is so easy to put up and take back down again. It has the grab handles here, and also comes with a robust carrier case. The added features are it has a removable face hole here, so anybody that's doing beauty treatments or sports massage, there's that option. But it also has the adaptable, adjustable headrest. So at the moment it's not on, but you can add that on. It also has the extra arm side rest as well to offer that extra comfort, and arm hammock. And the freebie is you get the hammock underneath for either storing your bolster or towels. So that's a great little added gift. The one thing that really did attract me to this table is it has 10 seated adjustable settings. So for those clientele that aren't happy, comfortable, or can't for medical reasons lay down flat, whilst having reflexology, there are those options of getting them seated. So really super easy to do. A case of just pulling it up to whatever seated position they want to be in. And once you want to collapse it, just push it down, and there you go, slides down nice and easy. So the purchase was really easy, the website's really super easy to navigate, and the delivery was speedy. So thank you so much, Massage Warehouse, for making it an easy process for me. And thank you for listening. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to get in contact, and I will help you the best I can.